How to motion track in CapCut and make the camera follow you. It's very simple. Choose any video that you want to edit, and from here select the option of text from the below tools and tap on add text. Here you can add a full stop or any punctuation mark and make sure that it is visible and in big size. Then drag the text alongside the video like this. Once you do that, what you will do is you will drag the video a little and add a keyframe by tapping on the diamond shape at the top. Now you don't have to add keyframe option because it will automatically show you, as you can see, the diamond right here. Now once you drag alongside adding the keyframe, make sure to zoom in and zoom out of the video accordingly. As you can see, I'm doing here right now. This is to add a dramatic feature in the video, which you will see after you edit it. As you can see here, I'm doing this process here, adding the keyframe, zooming in or zooming out according to my requirement. Now let me speed this process for you real quick. Now once you are done with it, just remove the dot or any punctuation mark and play the video. There you'll be able to find all of the zoom in and zoom out that you added. And as you can see, the motion tracking has begun. Wasn't it simple? Hopefully give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.